don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again.
Hey, it's Larra J and I'm back again with another video. So for today's video guys, this is going to be one of my Make It Up series. So in this series guys sa channel ko, this is composed of inspired makeup tutorials from celebrities or sa kahit anong person na pwede nating gayahin yung makeup look nila. For today's makeup look, ang ginaya natin is si DuaLipa. So I'm just going to flash a photo right here sa screen nyo para makita nyo kung ano yung photo na tinutukoy ko. And here is the final look. I hope nagaya ko siya. And if you want to know how I did this look and what products I used to make this look, just please keep on watching! So, let's start with the foundation. And for the foundation, ang ginamit ko is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 228 or Soft Tan. And then, minix ko siya sa The Ordinary Serum Foundation ko in the shade 2.0 YG. I'm just going to put this all over my face. Going to blend this with a beauty sponge. This is the first layer guys nung dalawang foundations, and I'm just going to put another layer para sa mga problem areas ko. Let's conceal, and for the concealer, I will be using the Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. I'm in the shade 02. And for the bronzer, I will be using my favorite, which is the Bench Paintbox Matte Bronzer. I-blend natin ulit using a sponge. So, after the bronzer, I will be using a cream blush from Cloud Cosmetics. So, this is their Puff Tint. Super love na love ko tong product na to. Obsessed ako dito. Actually, similar siya or parang dupe siya nung glossy Cloud Paint. So, if you're looking for a cheaper dupe or alternative, check the Cloud Cosmetics. Super ganda nung formulation, guys. Putting this here sa side lang muna ng cheeks natin. Papaabutin ko yung blush ko, guys, dito medyo sa eyes ko. Slowly, build up natin siya papunta sa inner part ng cheek natin. So now, let's proceed sa eyeshadow. Papaset muna natin yung base natin. Sa eyeshadow, guys, as you can see, reddish na burgundy yung shade na ginamit sa kanya. Ang gagamitin ko na eyeshadow palette is from We Care Your Favors 18 Shades Full Function Palette from Focallure. And ito guys, super tagal na sa akin neto. As in, gamit na gamit ko na siya. Here it is on the inside. So, ayan. Super ganda ng shades na guys, diba? Actually, sinasabi nga nila, dupe ito for the Huda Beauty na eyeshadow palette. Ayan. I will be putting first concealer. Magsiserve as our eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer. So, to set the eyeshadow primer or yung concealer na nalagay natin sa ating eyes using the shade Bisque, Bubble Gem, and the Pink. So, ipag-mix ko silang dalawa as our transition shade. And for the crease, ang gagamitin ko is this shade. So, this is in the shade Wine. Lalagay ko lang siya sa crease natin and medyo magpo-focus ako dito sa outer corners ng eyes natin. And the next is to get the shade Toffee. Here it is. Ayan. Focus lang natin siya dito sa outer corners lang talaga. So after that, I'm just going to get a concealer and gagawa tayo ng half cut crease. Kuha na tayo ng shimmer shade and ang gagamitin ko is the shade Rose Gold and the shade Garnet. And ilalagay ko lang sila kung saan tayo naglagay ng concealer. I-blend natin yung edges, guys, using the shade Wine. And then, gagamitin ulit natin yung dark burgundy shade, which is the Toffee. And babalik ulit tayo sa ating outer corners. Going to use an eyeliner. And this is the waterproof Graph Ink Liner from Careline. And super thin lang nung gagawin ko na line sa aking eyes. So, I'm just going to do the other side of cam and I will be back. So, I'm done with the other eye and now let's proceed sa ating waterproof Matic eyeliner from EB Advance. So, this is the black one. And magta-tight line lang tayo, guys, using this one. I'm just going to curl my lashes first and then gagamitin ko si Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. At isiset muna natin yung ating face bago pa natin makalimutan. So, for the powder, I will be using the Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder. And again, I will be using my beauty sponge. Simula muna tayo sa ating under eyes. And then, mag-proceed muna tayo sa ating brows kasi nagmumukha na tayong alien right now. I will be using my Colourette Browfessional Pomade. So, this is in the shade Midnight Coffee. So, ito yung itsura niya inside. I-fill in ko lang yung aking brows. So, just going to skip this part, guys. If you want to know how I do my brows, I will be putting the link up here. So, click nyo lang yung I button right there. Tatapusin na natin yung ating eye makeup. And yung unang shade na ilalagay natin sa ating lower lashes is the Wine. So, ito siya, yung light na burgundy shade. And then, papatungan natin siya with the Toffee. Outer corners lang ng ating lower lashes. So, gagamit tayo ng shimmer shade. So, kunin natin itong shade na Garnet. Light pink na shimmer shade. And for the tear duct, ang gagamitin kong shade is the Moonlight. Just going to use my pinky finger to apply it. And I will also highlight my brow bone using the same shade. Blush tayo ulit. And for the blush, I will be using a powder blush. And this is from Nichido. Ayan. So, this is their Nichido True Colors Collection Powder Blush. And this is in the shade Cool Rum. Highlight, guys. Gagamitin ko ulit yung shade na Moonlight sa eyeshadow palette. And lastly, for our lips, I will be using Colourette Supramatte in the shade Isla. And papatungan ko siya ng lip gloss using the Fashion 21 Lip Shine. So, I'm done, you guys, and I'm just going to fix myself up. Maglalagay lang ako ng mga konting accessories, and then I will be right back. So, that is it for this Make It Up series, guys, here sa channel ko. And if you have any suggestions kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong makita na inspired makeup tutorials, just please comment down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and click that bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I will upload a new one. I will catch you guys again next time. Bye! Mwah!